Hi everyone, welcome to 7 Minutes of Magic. My name is Shireen and I'm the founder of My Little Magic Shop. Today I'm here to show you how to use a pendulum. Today I'll be using a rose quartz pendulum. I think that rose quartz is a really great pendulum to start out with because rose quartz is fantastic for connecting with your higher self as well as just connecting with love and self-love. The very first thing that you want to do with any pendulum when you get it is to cleanse it. Because this is a crystal pendulum, we want to make sure that we remove or release any energy that's lingering from anyone who had it or the last time I used it. My favorite way to cleanse a pendulum is through using some sage. So I'm just going to light my little sage stick. Letting it get nice and smoky. Next, I'm just going to allow the smoke to go all around the pendulum. I'm holding the intention that the pendulum be restored to its optimum state so that it's able to connect with my energy and there's nothing that is lingering or interfering with it. For those of you that don't know how a pendulum works, don't worry, it's not magic or there's not a ghost that's moving it. Using a pendulum really is just about connecting with your body. What's happening is that you are asking your body questions and your body is responding in movements that correspond with different answers. So the very first thing that I like to do when working with a pendulum is to ask it to show me answers. We're going to ask 3 different questions so we can understand how the pendulum is going to connect with us. The first one is, show me yes. So I'm asking my pendulum right now to show me yes. And what you can see is almost immediately it starts to move back and forth. This is what yes means for me. Don't despair if you have a different answer than me. Some people have different movements. Some go side to side, some go in circles. You really just have to trust that is how your body is telling you yes. I've been using a pendulum for quite a while, so my answers come very strong and very quick. The next question I'm going to ask is show me no. So again, it starts to change direction. Now it is going from side to side. This is no for me. Again, your no could be different. Finally, I'm going to ask, show me maybe or I don't know. So my maybe or I don't know is a circle. This could also mean I'm not telling you. Funny story about this. I was depending a lot on a pendulum to pick my crystals for meditation. And about the 4th day or so, my pendulum just refused to answer. It just kept saying, I don't know. So then I asked, should I pick my own crystals with my intuition? And it said yes. So you'll notice once you start working with pendulums, you'll start to get a sense of humor. Just know that that's your body communicating with you. I really hope you enjoyed this segment of using your pendulum of 7 Minutes of Magic. Next time, check us out for how to douse using a pendulum. Have a wonderful day!